Come on, I'm saying.
Yeah.
What is this?
Not that it's
What is this?
Oh.
You don't know what is that?
No.
This is what you're gonna
What's
keep your
it now?
Chester jar.
Oh, gotcha.
Oh.
So this is what you're gonna keep your clothes in.
Okay.
You know?
Cheese one. King change up. Ready? Drop it.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, man, drop it out.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them.
Well. Blessed love to all. Blessed love to all, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day anywhere you are. Welcome back to Kino Life in Jamaica. You know what I'm saying? Jamaica, well, Jamaica, you know. Wonderful Jamaica. So, you know, today, you know, my journey, guys, you know, each one have a part, you know, my part, you know, my journey is to help out the less fortunate, you know, continue to help the most that I can do, you know, while I'm here in this universe, you know. And then we do adventure as well too, you know. So today I want to go and get a chestnut jar. Well, most people call it chestnut jar. Some Jamaicans say chestnut jar, you know. So you know what's the name for it. That the drawer, the 7 drawers and the 8 drawers and the 9 drawers, you know, without a mirror. So that's what I call chestnut jar. You know, when you're growing up, you're in that same name over. I put this on the chestnut jar for me, you know. Look on the chestnut jar, you see this, so you think that's the name of it, you know. But when you have to research it, so I think it's chestnut jar. Yes, chestnut jar. Same jar, that jar. Yeah, so we're gonna buy one of that for scanner, and also when you get a mattress as well to for the lady, you know, that will feature previously in the video that she definitely need a mattress and how she's sleeping, you know. Well, like one side of the bed sink, the middle is high, and the next side is sink. So as you can see, that's not even a mattress, you know, that's some flat sponge. So guys, we're gonna get our mattress as well today as well, you know. So that's what we're gonna do, you know. I want to thank you guys so much for watching Kino Life in Jamaica. Thank you so much for putting the thumbs up whenever you're watching as well too, you know. And for you guys that have been there, been supporting me on this journey, you know, from then till now, you know. So you know, we're on the Watershed project, we're trying to finish that off as well too, you know. We have Mother Teresa as well too, trying to finish that off also. But you know, within the time, you know, everything will get done when the time is right, when the Almighty say it is time, you know. So guys, we thank you so much for the love and the kind heart, you know, the compassion, you know, the togetherness. So we thank you so much for the love and the support every time. So remember to smash that like button. Road work is going on here, bad road. Yes, so guys, I know, like I'm telling you, this month is very tricky. It's like rainy month. Rain, but it's not raining now, but you know, it's well set up to be rain, you know, but it's not raining all now. So tell me something, guys, you know where I am. Most of you know this 4-way road right here, you know, Spanish Town Road. So that is it. Yeah. Come on.
This one, this is a spring, right? One, this. It's a strong one. You can just take that one.
Alright.
Other one lighter. Just take the strong one. Alright. Pass and chain, so you can take it.
Can you bring it now?
What? No. Yeah. How long will it take? No.
This is Zip Info. Information every hour, on the hour.
In Zvinfo's latest this hour, the official Instagram account
TV up. TV on.
That he was arrested on one for outstanding traffic tickets. Several media houses reported that the entertainer was arrested early today, citing police sources. According to a comment from the entertainer's Instagram account.
Guys, so we're down here by Mark. You know, as I say, whenever you need anything, you need to contact Mark. Mark, tell them where you are again.
I'm on 56 King Street.
56 King
Next
Street.
to Supreme Court, Caribbean Discount Center.
Yes.
And that's what we do.
So he's next to Supreme Court. So you know, whenever you come here, just mention say Keno sent you, and he can give you a discount, right? I'm coming from the Dream Team, so all courtesy of the Dream Team. Whenever you come here, say Keno sent you, you know, you can get a discount for anything you want to get. And trust me, the prices are already reasonable. You cannot go wrong. So you know, this is where I always get my stuff from, Mark. You know, to help out with the charity because I always give back. That's why I'm always coming back. Right, brother? So I'm always coming back. So,
And Paul University of Carolina's feature. Today we look at one of the organizations that provides guidance during a hurricane or other natural disasters. The Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management OPCAM has been unique working the only government agency to provide disaster management functions in Jamaica. Its operations
good to go, man.
towards developing and implementing
Good to go, man. You can bag it up for me.
achieving and maintaining an appropriate state of national preparedness for national disasters and other emergency events, and to encourage and support disaster preparedness and mitigation measures in all parishes in association with local government authorities, community-based organizations.
I'll bring it outside. Just bring it outside now. Yeah.
Details of these stories you can log on to zipfm.net.
Right up to your left.
Everything you want to know.
So now tell him Mattress to man.
Yeah.
How I go on? For the chestnut jar. Oh. And the chestnut jar now. Yeah. Where's it? Where gone? Right about.
No, man, put this on. Just want to tie this.
One piece of string. Get a piece of string. Now somebody shout him.
All of the cash, right?
Yeah. So much?
28, 18, 28.
Hello. Oh, I'm gonna key now. Now come on. Bring a mattress for you. No.
Jeez, man. Thing change up. Ready? Drop
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, man. Look at good mommy. Yeah, take off the old one right away. Oh, you're not ready for that?
Can't take it
Yeah,
out.
take it off.
Yeah, take it off.
Have no.
Yeah, look what she has sleep on.
So you're gonna lean up this mommy. You got it? Bring it outside.
Okay, I'll lean up
Yeah,
there.
just lean it up somewhere.
Watch it, guys. There's a photo.
Yeah, man, just lean it up.
Lean it up? Alright, what you do with the clothes underneath? Yeah. Let them stay? Alright. Ready, go? Lift up this side. And the slide it up. At the right end, no?
Yeah. Any end.
Alright, see there? Big difference that moment,
Thank you
man.
very much.
Big difference.
And
Maybe.
thank whosoever provided for me.
Yeah, so it's Tony from Ilford, from the UK. So you can thank them.
Okay, thank you Tony very much, and may God may your food basket never empty. I'm so thankful to you. Thank you very much, and Kino, thank you very much also.
Yeah man, no problem. I would thank the dream team as well
Yeah,
too, you know.
and thank everyone. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Yeah, man. The work we are doing, man.
Yeah, man. Thank you.
So at least now with this now you can sleep much better.
I true, you know, because when you say me pay, because sometimes night time they wall around there, so.
Pain up.
Pain up at night time. Yeah, the wall around there, so I mean, I say true, the sickness make me feel it. But when you come here and talk now, me I say yes.
So you have some brand new sheet now for put on this?
Yeah, man, me a sheet can put on this.
Because I tell you, because in a fair age and the bed and all stay here, one side sinking, nigga.
That mattress about 14 years old.
Wow, 14 years old.
And 2010.
That's a long
Get
time.
that lady make that mattress for me and kill her now down Marine Street.
Yeah.
And she did make it for me. And
Wow.
that time we just moved come in another room at 2010.
Yeah.
And I found the time I have the mattress, so you can say it well hold.
A long time.
A long time, yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man. So we give thanks. I will
Yeah,
thank
man,
you,
and
Tony.
thank you again, man.
You know, thank Tony from Ilford,
Yeah, give
UK.
Tony, yeah, Tony, thank you again very much. May God bless you, my brother.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Alright then, so take care. So if anything else come up,
Yeah, man.
we keep you in
my
touch,
brother.
yeah?
Yes,
Alright then, so now we can say you can sleep a little
yeah,
better
man, you can
tonight.
see comfortable
You
tonight.
know,
Thank you very much.
tonight you can sleep.
Yeah, man.
Just, let me see, sit down on it, man. So them see,
Yeah. Thank you very much.
yeah, better sleep tonight,
Yeah,
you know?
man. Give thanks. Hallelujah. Bless your name, Jesus.
Yeah, man, so get rid of this one.
Yeah, man.
Alright then,
Thank you,
so,
Lord, yes.
alright then, so blessings and go on with the top see me, yeah?
Yes, my brother. Thank you very much.
Good, man.
Yeah.
Eh? Yeah, because we talk about the door as well too, so.
Me tell them I know them all.
Yeah. So we're going to try to get a door for you as well. So if anybody will reach out, you know, want help out with the door,
Them all the door, man.
we can get a door for you as well. But we know most the front one kind of rotten out and thing,
Yeah, man.
you know, so we are praying for someone to reach out so we can get a door for you.
God will bless me, man. God will bless us, man.
Yeah, man. Alright then, take care, yeah?
Yeah, my brother. And take
Alright,
care, too.
yeah, man.
All I want to take care, sir.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So we'll give thanks for the support, you know.
Darling.
Tony, we thank you so much, Tony from Ilford, and thank you for blessing mommy.
Thank you,
Tell me your name again.
Me say me Lion Hudson.
Miss
Down.
Emmeline.
Down, I'm married,
Downer.
but me use Hudson or Downer.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we give thanks for the bed,
Thanks,
the
yeah,
mattress
thanks
for
very
Miss
much.
Emmeline.
Yeah.
You know, Tony from Ilford. Wow, the place dark. It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain so bad.
So that's the social way. That's the delivery way.
What's your end, boy? I don't want to scrape it.
Scanner. I have a surprise for you.
Out and in.
I'm gonna make space in there.
Space and go on back, so. Go back.
Yeah, rest upon this. Make a good space, quick and fast.
Yeah. Come now. Set it good now.
Scanner. Where you gonna put it, Scanner?
Put it there, so.
Yeah, so.
This one I want you now, so.
Wheelchair want move from this. So.
Put it there.
See, you can lock up. Can't lock up, you know, can't lock up.
Yeah, man.
Lock it up and push down at the bed, man.
Yeah, sorry, boy.
Pull it up, so. Yeah. It's gonna say, I want to wheelchair for you when the time come.
You know,
So
go back to that scanner.
Tell us how you're going back to that.
Yeah, we know what possible can go on. Yeah,
Put it on the side, boy,
What I do right now.
and press it down.
On the side.
Yeah. Press it down.
Yeah, please say your mind that tell you that. You understand? Yeah, strong man, we know how to do that. Yeah. It's like...
Hold on the bed.
We'll put it
Without the bar. Bar the right, that's the way I was put that.
It's far. No, no, this. Move the bag, yes. What your problem now, Scarlett? Start now? Yeah?
The bar come on that bed.
Bar?
That should that slide.
No, I can't hold on the bed. Come here, the rain up here now.
No, that's what I put on the bed now. Bro, that's a rice and something like that.
Hold on.
That's what I forgot. That's the more matter.
The wheelchair?
Yeah, it's a bar there. Anyway, boy, this is what we are gonna do. We're gonna take that out, then slide it, and then put back in. You understand?
Yeah.
We don't make nothing in trouble with scanner. You understand what I say? Watch your foot.
Just like that.
You understand? Simple. And we can put back this. You
But
understand?
can go back another.
Same place.
You're brilliant still.
No, we-
Till my says, oh, this
We-
is holding us up.
We can. We. Ready?
Yeah.
Come, boy.
You took all the space down.
Right, stop.
Alright.
Ready now?
Yeah.
So this
Come here, Mr.
no
Darling.
problem, scanner.
Tie that behind it.
No problem.
No, man.
Yeah?
Sorry.
We can. What is that, sir? Can you have more than me?
Oh man, I empty.
Oh, empty. Oh.
Yeah.
One of them, man.
No, it matter them. Cut them matter.
You mash and be ashes and
Ashes and seeds and
Use
everything.
that for my feet.
Oh.
Keep out the germs.
Alright, bring it to you now. Yeah man, so we have to give thanks to Heather.
Yeah.
You know.
That's what I said. The next one you have to go.
No. Yeah, turn on.
Let me tell you, say go out.
Look at me, shoes I leave. That's what can wipe out. That can wash.
I'm saying.
Yeah.
What is this?
Not that it's
What is this? You don't know what is that?
No.
This is what you're gonna
What's
keep
it now?
a Chester jar.
Oh, gotcha.
Oh.
So this is what you're gonna keep your clothes in,
Okay.
you know.
And
So we have to give thanks to Heather
yeah.
from Connecticut. She's the one that saw that the clothes them was in basket.
What about Mrs. The nurse?
Nurse Jackie,
Yeah.
she's okay. You can tell her hi as well too.
Yeah. X amount of iron and stuff.
Yes.
And to Edda, to the real thanks very much.
Yeah, so this is Heather that purchased this Chester jar for you because she noticed that you was storing your clothes them in basket.
Yeah.
You know, so at least now you can have more
People are
space.
funny, you know.
So Heather, I want to thank you so much. So this is scanner.
Yeah.
Chester jar is 1, 2, how much jar that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you got 7 jar.
And
You know, so
really.
we give thanks. And she also give a donation for you as well too,
Yeah.
which is $7,000.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now man, that's 7 man.
Oh, I thought one
Yeah.
Yeah, man, 7.
This is $7,000 a year also from Heather, you know, from Connecticut.
Yeah. Thank you, Edda.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Yeah. To the X amount of thanks and to Edda.
May God continue to
Yeah.
guide and bless you.
Guide and protection.
Guide and protect you.
Yeah.
Because without you, you wouldn't have it. You understand?
Yeah, man. Real.
Not the consideration.
Yeah.
In real.
And focus positively now.
Straight
And
positive.
get the things up to date. Thanks, Edda. Yeah.
Alright.
Kino and the crew. Thanks. Bless. Yeah.
Alright then, so we give thanks. I will thank you so much, Heather. You know, so scanner, you know the thing already. You know, take off your plastic so you can do your thing. So you know to put your clothes in the drawer. You know you have to fold them while you're putting them in. You know, you can call one of the 7 ladies then where you have so much you have 7. You can call one of the many ladies then where you say you have. Beautiful. That is it. That is it, yeah.
Thanks again.
Yeah.
Every time. And thanks to the
Extended family.
extended family.
Alright, so we give thanks. Thank you so much, Edda. Yeah, man. Blessings, I will give thanks. Scanner,
Yeah.
big up yourself. Yeah?
And don't have to pay.
Big up yourself, Scanner.
Yeah.
Alright, so we give thanks to Edda. Well, the rain is gonna burst in tears. You said the rain is gonna burst in tears. Look there. Yeah, every day I yarn. So people, you see that? You know what time it is. You want the curry chicken back. Hello? Alright, that's why I eat with her.
The rain breeze.
Yeah.
Chicken bucket call for them fear.
Yeah. Where's that? Empty man.
Done, man.
Go back a third now.
Yeah,
So our chef can go put on him pot. Well. Blessed love. Welcome to another video here in Trenchtown. Well, it's been raining. This is so much shower of blessing. Shower. Cause I know you can see that it's gonna rain as well. So many rain, boy. Cannot get away from the rain. So today we got a barrel from Auntie Brown. I want to thank Auntie Brown so much. She sent us a barrel for the team. So today I want to go and run through that barrel that we received from Auntie Brown. So it goes over this barrel. She says for the team members them. So this barrel is for the team members. It's something that we're gonna do today before it really start to rain again, because it looks like it's gonna rain. So you have to batten down right now. So if your house stop not batten down, you have to go and batten down, because there's nothing but rain. Perfect. There's nothing but rain. So I want to give thanks, guys, and thank you so much for watching here in Jamaica. We're here today. So we have Rasta Messi over there. Alright. I run through that barrel there. We'll bring it on the whole stuff. But I forgot empty it first. All is well.
You can't complain, life is here.
Alright.
Got some LED light here selling,
LED light?
Yeah, man.
Oh.
Right up
You see a man pass it, them are selling.
LED light. Rasta Jackson is here.
Phone battery charge, phone charger charge.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
Official.
How much I'm selling for?
$1,000.
$1,000.
Bring the man to show find yesterday, find by man.
LED light.
Yeah, each on the fridge. Anyway, metal door, each time.
Each time.
Yeah. Yesterday, I say man, I pass to sell them, man. Yeah. Two by one.
Them bright.
Yeah, man, fuck. Them bright, the fuck.
Yo, them bright, me tell some kids, them bright. $1,000 for them, say two by one. No, that's what it is.
No, this is not. Oh, loom this, that's a loom.
Yeah, man, so them each on the thing,
Loom,
man.
each
How you use plug it and charge?
Show the charger and show the charger in there.
So if light guy, they can just plug.
Yeah, like guy, just put.
How long this charge lasts for? It must tell you on that.
Tell you on the box, man. So the USB.
For charging.
Alright, you see like how this now a magnet. This now we connect this one. You see, peel off the stick and just put it up. And just measure him up and just rock him on. You see me?
Just like that.
Just like that, man. I saw it in the box will come, man.
Plus $1,000, you see?
Yes, I'm going to take one for you. I'm going to support the thing.
Lock off, man.
Three different items. Yeah,
Bling. Yeah.
Lower color. Yeah, lower color them the wine about.
You see the man I passed through yesterday then?
Yeah, me there more.
I say, yo, come in, Rasta.
Rasta.
That one in my yard. Yeah, one in my yard.
Say sell off now. Sell off.
Don't want to reach them to you.
Do what? Which one?
Which one?
Door. Oh, okay, the rinse.
Branch, man.
You show colors. Colors love them rinse there, enough him clothes,
You see gigs?
Smelling good.
Oh, the liquid one.
That color the way we come look for why I like it. I make a low member that buy it, cause it's too big me for us.
Yeah.
My ball to the blouse too bright, and too much heat to come out.
Alright, I gotta fix things. Yup. I gotta leave it there. Alright.
So you do it black off by itself.
No, man. Black off by itself.
Esther. Hurry up, so we have to go empty the barrel.
And then it just comes and plug it in back.
You can do so, box on it. We have 2 bags there, so see how they go.
Yeah.
Oh, there. Jackson, fly one of the bag, so just put them in it straight away.
Man, come in like this, we don't want to even take you.
We'll get the thing them in the bag.
The tin things there. Come in, Jackson.
Jackson.
Live step up.
Yeah, what antidote?
Right, you mean that, you know? Yeah, from the sea.
Oh, I use the empty this quick and fast. Yeah, man, so this is an anti-brown. Are you up here did there?
No.
Oh, up for that.
What's the last sheet?
They're going it up.
I'm going to go swat out the box in there on the ground. Yeah, man, do the black bag in the box, man.
No, as I say.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, the water going back in.
Yeah, water in there, no. Yes,
Oh, yeah. Then fall yesterday, no?
move that, that's gone.
You know about that?
Yeah, man, that's why so much water. I remember your light, you can put out now, put the light up the front.
Watch it, our back leg on. Our back leg on.
Yeah, man,
They like on the pan, something.
yeah, the pan something same.
Oh,
They're not going it.
it's a summer to go trouble.
What be next bag? Oh, boom there. Put that in our bag over this. This are going in our bag.
Yeah. Over this one.
Now put them in there. Can manage? Heavy?
Yeah, man, the bag heavy, you know. I be can them there, you know.
See you.
Coffee now.
Eh?
Them throw back this and you about the bag, pack up something.
True about this?
Them pan pan.
Oh. Esther, but you rice. But yeah. You know, throw the rice. Then I can go back in the barrel. Yeah? Younger Denise.
So. Hey, you there?
Yeah, me come and call but me never hear you. Yeah.
Yeah, black.
Got a piece here, let's go over on the table.
Yeah, man, very nice, sir.
Fly that box there. Not less along there. Hold on the aisle. Wow.
No, someone come see it.
The water do that, man.
Water soaked through that last night and box goes, you know.
So you know, so that's tough.
See this underneath the place there.
No.
Oh, shit. Gentleman.
Look at the gentleman, you know. Boy, the gentleman, they have put some black jeans, you know. Yeah, man.
Alright, so these stuff are from Auntie Brown. You know Auntie Brown already. Now we have to give thanks here, man. So we have some shoes over there.
Gentleman, yeah.
Oh, look at that gentleman. And we get some Pampers as well too, we can give out.
Bernard! That's my boy, you know. Look at my
And we have some coconut oil here.
Can go on, you know.
Cooking oil. It's a canola oil. Oh, this I first me about that one, a canola oil.
Canola?
Canola, pure 100% canola oil. Oh chef, so when I go for river we can mix juice.
Yes man. Whoa. Yeah, man.
We can mix juice.
Put it down good for me extra.
Yes, we can mix juice.
Extra. Want some of the orange. You see it? You just see that we have in there.
Well, as I say, it's
strawberry, you know.
We have beans, sweet corn and everything down there, so I'm still what's in this bag. And we have a bag of rice as well too.
Yeah.
So whenever we're cooking. So basically so this bar is for the dream team. Tea bag, so
Denise, that's it, sir.
Auntie Brown, so you can thank Auntie Brown.
Thanks, you know. Yeah, I really appreciate it. Thanks.
Yeah.
Auntie Brown, one love, blessed, thanks.
Yeah man, Auntie Brown. Oh, I want to see her in life person, you know.
You see her already?
I'm see her already.
How much time she come here? How much she get the shoes?
Oh, come on, Auntie Brown's your name. Alright, Auntie Brown, enough love, you know. Only for blessing, man. Rasta man and them beats are too big, you know. Yeah man, enough love, Auntie Brown, you know.
Yeah.
Only for blessing, you know.
One Auntie Brown, blessings, appreciate the barrel.
Younger than his.
God bless up Auntie Brown, you know, give thanks to the
Auntie Brown
stuff.
Yeah man.
Well appreciate.
Enough love in Auntie Brown, because I watch him like ketchup on my stomach, right? One ramen noodle.
Well, the stomach had to drop, it had drop?
Whoa, yeah man, ketchup my stomach, you see me I said?
It's falling.
Yeah man, so
it's falling.
Thank you very much, you know. Yeah.
Alright, so we have some oil here, you know what I'm saying? You know, we're always cooking, so we have oil. So if the members them want oil, then can get oil same way. And we have rice whenever we're cooking. And we have some stuff here, some thin stuff. You know, so it's not many thin stuff, so as I say, we'll just make it work. So basically these are for us kitchen wise. You know? So for good. Yeah, so these are for going in the Wow Chef kitchen. Right, wow.
But I want to flavor it them there too, you see me I say?
You know Wow Chef always cooking, so
I flavor it there.
Watch out, man, wow. Can't boil it right now, you know.
Oh, God. Give me the spangler.
With a boil right now.
Give me the spangle.
So you have spinach,
Sorry about that, you know, my favorite, you know.
low sodium,
Spinach, I thought spinach,
turkey gravy.
Yeah, man, then I want to make sauce with them, man, turkey gravy.
Yeah.
And then I put on the chicken back brown so I fry, you know.
And you have pinto beans.
Yes. Cook rice and
Pinto beans. And you have 1 tin of sardine. Sardine have nothing on it. No name, nothing at all.
I have one run away in the
You have one tuna. Where's the tuna? One tuna supposed to be here. One tuna. And you have one black turtle beans.
And black eyed peas in the bag again, you know. So I make it work, man.
So we're just going to put this in the kitchen for whenever. And we have some combs, right? These are some comb. Who has a comb? Esther has a comb in here. That is a comb. A two, you know, so take out one. A two. Take out one. We Esther one. How can I oil this? Gaia. Extra virgin oil. Whoa, whoa. Virgin. Oh, if you're booking a virgin.
Yeah, man, come like virgin oil, you know, come like, you know.
Yeah.
Yes. Virgin oil. Yeah, man.
First, I cook it on I use one of them, man. Virgin oil.
I'm not sure it's remedy where you can clear this fine.
And the goodies them want to bake it in there.
The next aisle not talk about. I use it, you know.
It's the tuna, yeah?
Yeah.
Chunk like so. To Auntie Brown, so we give thanks, you know, we thank you so much, you know, for this. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this in the house chef kitchen, you know, for whenever house chef is cooking, it's cooked for him and the members then, you know. You know, it's not enough for everyone to get stuff, so we're just gonna make sure so we cook and everyone get, you know. So we have aisle for everyone to get, and we have the rice as well too. So in the cooking, everyone getting, say, you know, say the teamwork, we make the dream work. So we thank you so much, Auntie Brown, for blessing us, you know, with this barrel. And we have some shoes over there where
the gentleman.
Worship take the gentleman, you know. So these, so we're gonna see who is well needed of these, you know, because these is definitely.
Gentleman, brother Bernard, you know.
Yeah.
Gentleman, you see it.
Bernard. So the worship is gonna have that.
Black to a nice
Black polish them, man.
A polish in there.
You can't have
See the box trick you. Eh?
Give me one of the bro.
Alright, so we have some tops. Shirts.
Come like that, bro.
Right there, give me that.
Some come with brush.
I just go in there with brush.
Oh, this is for Princess.
It's like brand Esther.
Oh, this said Princess. Esther, it's like a princess. So keep this downstairs. That's a princess. Oh, this have name. Who this? Miss Valerie. Okay. So this for Amigo. Miss Valerie. Oh, chef, this for your mom. Miss Valerie.
Yeah. Well, she's on stage right now. We're going to be there, man. In the clinic. And put on a nice dress up on her. You see me, I say?
I'll be there and put it on her tomorrow.
That's really that clinic, man. You know? Yeah, man. Thank you very much, you know. You know.
So, Scanner. It's for Scanner. Yeah, I think that's his Scanner name. Scanner. This from Miss Dasa. Amigo. Miss Dasa. Alia. No, it's Alia then. Alia.
That's a princess for that.
So big shots, you know. Top, ugly. Big shots.
What a shot, then.
Straight to the top,
Another bag. 7 name. It's not on name. It's name not on name. Yeah. And the kids this. Follow this there. Follow this to say it, love.
Young girl.
Follow this.
Young teenager.
Babe mother? Babe mother frock.
Call her, but I feel like
Young girl and
young girl.
you know, a nice Sunday beach. Nice cool girl.
Stretch up all the yaga can fit, man.
Oh, Yaga. Yeah, we can get Yaga something.
Yeah, man. All the yaga, them, man. You see,
Yeah, fit Yaga,
I'll be this can fit, man. I wanna move.
I'll be more, I am a young girl thing.
So this
Yeah, man.
amigo. Hey, hold on this there.
No, Esther. No, Esther.
That's small.
Denise, I'm saying bump.
That's too small for Dennis. That's this book of a Shan. This is Shannon. What is come out of?
But the same bag him come out, I know. The barrel, you know. Hold it more books in there, you know.
This is Shannon. People say have money upon them. I must Shannon. The book can Shannon can't get the book here. Police. Put them on in the bag then.
When they're stealing.
Miss Dassa and the pampas as well too for Miss Dassa.
Then I put them back in my bag.
No one them. So for amigo. I don't know which area. It's a scanner.
How the barrel left, sprang.
In this one. Amigo and scanner. Yeah, Princess one there.
Yeah, no?
No.
Alright, put in my bag.
Can you? No, you can.
Alright guys, so we have this pampas here for Miss Dassa and a top. And we have some aisle for the kitchens, we have rice as well too for the kitchen for no cooking. We have tank to make juice. And Roll Chef is taking all the stuff to bring over to the kitchen, you know, the canned stuff them. You know, we have a slippers for scanner and something for Amiga as well too. And Princess, where's Princess? Our back up. Yeah.
Put in my bag.
No man, cause no, we keep it downstairs so that we can get them like how them are local names, small names.
You
know, Dassa, you know, we can go give Miss Dassa this. Can give Miss Dassa this. Oh Chef, come bring on the rice before you go down. No worry, Dennis, I'll bring it down.
It's the eating day.
Oh, I blow in you know.
No, them
Bring an aisle with you.
yeah, Esther them.
So this is for Amigo and Scanner. This is Alright then. Oh, my life. Alright then, so I want to thank you guys so much. Thank you so much, Auntie Brown, for blessing us. You know, thank you so much. So we'll make it work. And I'm saying we're a team, so teamwork will make the dream work. You know, so we're gonna put the stuff them in the kitchen for whenever we're cooking. You know, everyone can get from it. You know, so everyone can't get a bag. You know, so everyone's gonna eat from the pot. You know, so that is what we're gonna do today. You know, togetherness. That's what we're doing. You know, showing togetherness and showing the love and the unity amongst each other. You know, so we thank you so much, Auntie Brown, for blessing us. You know, so we can bless others. Right, boom. Yeah. That's how you doing? I got a bag here for you. I got a pack of Pampers here. And I also have a dress as well for you from Auntie Brown.
Auntie Brown.
It's from Auntie Brown, you know. Send that dress for you, sir. So I'm just passing by to drop it off quick and fast before it starts to rain.
Thank you, Auntie Brown. May God ever bless and keep you. Your store basket never empty.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yes, yes. So you okay? You comfortable sitting here?
Yes, I'm comfortable sitting.
Okay then. So you put it on the bed for you?
Yes.
Yes. It's a nice dress like the one that you wear, really, no? Very nice. So we give thanks to Auntie Brown, and we have a Pampers here as well too. Okay? Alright then, so take care, yeah?
Okay.
Alright then, that's it. Yes, small up. Alright, going through the smallest walk in Trenchtown. Two-way walk. I'll take that one because the zinc just hang out. They're in there. Scanner. Philip. Scanner in there. Scanner in there. Go walk off this. Alright. Scanner gonna walk as usual. Yo. See him out there? Scatter! Boom! Oh yeah, the duck. I dive.
I smell something going here.
Wow.
It's spice, yeah.
I'm ready. Almost
Oh, church, party. Only thing they know not change the phone.
Scanner. I'll bring our slippers here for you. The best slippers here.
In the bed.
In the bed.
Sleeping on the bed.
Sleeping on the bed. Okay. And that is from Auntie Brown.
Thanks, Auntie Brown.
Alright, so I see that. Scanner. That is for you from Auntie Brown, okay?
Yeah.
I'm just going here.
Auntie Brown. Every time, thanks.
Alright then. So yeah, walk road Scanner, man. But we can't find you.
Nah, stay one place.
Nah, stay one place.
Because I'm uncomfortable. Because we can't get to watch nothing. We buy send 5,000 go give
cable man.
People. No. Up to now, myself give my sister $5,000 she go carry one garbage DVD. You see it on the back?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, 5,000 to bring a DVD player come get garbage.
And you see the remote never in the box. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, for the DVD player.
Every DVD is supposed to have a remote.
Yes.
And then in the box, when the box open, check it out. We give the youth when they just look on it and man say, garbage. Get somebody again.
So whenever I get the cable with that $5,000 there?
Because Philip tell me say $7 grand. Because he want the money to pay the cable people them.
Yeah.
He want to run my head when me don't understand about this cable.
No man, not so much. Not so much. I link the cable man and tell him to come link you. Yeah?
No space and then I can't know why I come in.
Eh?
I play steel up, I don't know it though.
Of course, why you can't come in there easy?
I'm bored somewhere.
Yeah. Yeah, no hard thing. Cable man know him I do. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, take it easy, scanner.
Yeah, because that kind of, you know, slight feedback in it. So, I get away from the blue screen.
Yeah. Where what man, so no? Alright then, scanner, look a bit.
Yeah.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.